Psalm verse 41 to 7. The fool says in his heart, there is no God, they are corrupt, their deeds are vile, there is no one who does good. The Lord looks down from heaven on all mankind to see if there is any who understand, and he will seek God. All have turned aside, they have together become corrupt. There is no one who does good, not even one. Do all these evildoers know nothing? They devour my people as though eating bread. They never call on the Lord. But there they are, overwhelmed with dread, as the Lord is present in the company of in the righteousness. You evildoers frustrate the plans of the poor, but God is their refuge. Oh, that salvation for Israel would come out of Zion. When the Lord restores his people, let Jacob rejoice and Israel be glad.